Hey everyone, I hope you're having a good day today. I have another unboxing, and this is for a girl 2 to 4 with a Daisy Duck theme. Now this is the folder that I'll be putting at the top of her bin here, and it's just fitting that her bin is also purple. I still have to attach them into her folder, but she has Daisy Duck. And then I thought this one was hilarious because she's trying to be like the flamingo. And then of course a daisy flower. And then she has to have her companion here. And her BFF. Another daisy flower. And then a numbers chart 1 to 50. That's what's going to be in her folder. And then at the top of her bin, she has this nice composition book of Daisy. And I think there's like 114 pages in this notebook. And right at the top here is her little Daisy friend. Now this Daisy, she's special because she came all the way from Florida. I purchased her last Christmas when we went and vacationed in Florida. So she rode on a plane from Orlando, Florida all the way to Canada. And then she'll be riding, I'm thinking, on another plane somewhere else in the world. So she's getting around. She has a little soft toy here. It could also be a ball, and it's squishy. Let's pick these up first. She has a flute and a purple toothbrush. Here's one of her sacks. I was not able to fit a tote bag in her box. That's the only thing that I didn't get in that I really wanted to. But she does have little bags here. So she just has some stickers in there. And I put in the little, what do you call it? The little checklist for her little ball here that shows all the different characters. I thought she might like to look at that. She has her compact mirror and brush, as well as a face scrubby. And then she has 2 more little friends. These are purple and they're squishy. And these 3 friends are all on that little checklist. And then it was only fitting to do purple and daisy little bags here. Here's her other little purple daisy bag. She has a purple bow like Daisy. And inside of here, this will make it easy for the people at the processing center. They can just pull it out and see that there's a purple glue stick and her crayons in there. And then hopefully she can reuse that when she's done with her crayons and glue stick. Here is her soap saver. I will put soap in that in November. And then she has 2 purple toothbrushes. She has a little pad of paper that she can just scribble on. She has her water bottle. There's 2 hair ties in here, as well as some really cute socks with the grippies, 2T, 3T, and then another pair of socks and some underwear. And her underwear is Minnie Mouse. And of course there's Daisy and Minnie Mouse. She has learning cards, numbers and counting, and I liked how Tiana was on there. I just kept them in this box so that she could be able to look at the box. And I just cut the top off. This is what the cards look like. Just helps her with her numbers. And there's different princesses on these cards. She has her tin. I love these. I just put a little decoration there, and because I gave her a glue stick, I cut off some of these little cardboard pieces so that she could glue them on some of her paper. Eraser, She has 3 markers. This one is Toy Poodle Black, and this one is Sweet Violet, and this one is Piglet Pink. She has a fun purple eraser, and also this dinosaur eraser that she could play with. And then her pencils, she has some pre-sharpened ones in there. And then this fun one has little daisies on it. And then these cardboard pieces with some stickers. Thought maybe she could glue them. And then these are really cute. She has Finger, and then she has her BFF and her male companion, Donald Duck, to play with. She has a little bracelet on her stuffed animal. The Daisy has a bracelet, and also on her notebook she has a bracelet, so I wanted her to have one too. She has a poncho with some band-aids. Now she has this puzzle from the Dollar Tree. These have a lot of space that you can utilize. I opened it up, and then I took, she has some thread here, purple thread. She has, I put her little nail clipper and her big pencil sharpener, and this also can sharpen her crayons. She has her toenail clipper. And then I just took all the puzzle pieces and put it in a Ziploc bag. That way if they were to, when they inspect this, if it were to fall out, it would all still be in here. And then if you stack it all up on the one side, you can still fit those things in there. So, a lot of space you can use. And of course that's Daisy and Minnie. And then she has these really pretty purple, and of course there's daisies on them. I got these at Superstore for $2.50. They were marked down. So she has some pretty sandals. And then the last thing on her box at the bottom is just these really cute stickers. There's a pig with wings, so I thought I had to include that. And that's my box for a girl 2 to 4 in a Daisy Duck and very purple theme. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you've never packed a shoebox before, I hope that you will consider packing one. And thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later.